everybody. It's Friday, March 18th, 2016. I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. Let's take a look at the weather forecast for the next few days. We've got cooler weather on the way. We'll take a look at the current temperature and radar. We did dip down into the 30s over parts of the area last night. Matter of fact, Mount Vernon, Illinois dipped down into the lower 30s. Perfect conditions there for a few hours for the temperature to fall lower than most of the surrounding stations. Most of us were in the upper 30s to lower 40s. We will rise again today into the 60s over most of the area. This will be above normal temperatures. Cooler over our northwest counties as clouds move in from the west. We take a look here at the radar view, and you can see our developing weather system over Kansas and Missouri. Zoom in here and that. Yep, that's snow over parts of Kansas, but rain into eastern Kansas and Missouri. This will spread eastward with time, and by late this afternoon, we may see some showers on radar, precipitation hitting the ground over our western counties, and then that's going to spread eastward overnight, and all of us will have a chance of rain tonight into Saturday morning. Let's take a look at the NAM model and animation showing what it expects radar to look like. We move through the day, and you can watch out to the west as showers develop. This is by early afternoon. We may see some showers on radar, but dry air at the surface may prevent that from reaching the ground. But as we move into late this afternoon and evening, we will see the precipitation moving in and overspreading the area, a widespread light rain event. This is around Friday night, around 10 o'clock. You can see widespread light rain over our area and some pockets of moderate rain. Right now, it looks like the total rainfall will be on the light side, maybe a tenth to a quarter of an inch, with pockets of a little bit higher over southeast Missouri and southern Illinois. We move through the day on Saturday, and you see the green pushing off to the east, even some blue, some snow there in Ohio. And then Saturday night and Sunday, another weak system moves in from the northwest that may bring some scattered light showers, rain, snow showers. It will be colder Saturday night with temperatures into the 30s, so I can't rule out some snow. Won't accumulate or anything like that, but just maybe some snowflakes in the air mixed in with the rain. Let's take a look at your lake forecast and camping weather. Not the best camping weather this weekend. Morning lows will be in the 30s both Saturday and Sunday. High temperatures mostly in the 40s both days. Scattered light rain on Saturday. More scattered light rain possible on Sunday. Even a rain-snow mix possible. Not the best camping weather. Northwest winds 8 to 16 miles per hour on Saturday. North-northwest at 8 to 16 miles per hour on Sunday as well. We will have gusty winds on Sunday, perhaps some 20-mile-per-hour gusts. We take a look here at the Sunday lake forecast, and we do have quite a few clouds and, again, cool temperatures. Let's look at the rainfall forecast for the next few days from the WPC NOAA. You can see a little bit of heavier precip across parts of eastern Missouri and southern Illinois. That's about 0.30 to maybe 0.40. Not even a half an inch. Most of us will be in the tenth to a quarter of an inch rain when it comes to rainfall. But again, parts of southeast Missouri, southern Illinois may see a little bit more. We pull ahead. I'm watching another system late next week, possibly centered on Wednesday night to Friday, maybe Thursday, Friday. Some timing differences in the data on this one. The GFS model shows a deep area of low pressure passing right over our area with snow to the north and thunderstorms over our area. The EC model takes the low much further north into Iowa and Wisconsin, still puts us on the warm side, which means showers and thunderstorms. We'll have to keep an eye on this. This time of the year, we can start thinking about heavier storms, and if the low does pass to our west, that will at least be a possibility. Let's look at the 7-day rainfall forecast, and here you see coming into play that next system, and this is from the WPC NOAA, and you can see 2-3 inches of rain from Arkansas and southeast Missouri. Now, this is going to be highly dependent on the track of that low, and the models are not in agreement just yet on where the low will track. So this heavier rain will partially depend on exactly where that low does track. Bottom line for the next few days, we're going to have cold temperatures, especially tonight, dipping into the 30s. Saturday night, dipping into the 30s. Sunday night, dipping into the 30s. We may even see frost on Sunday night, depending on if the winds die down Sunday night. Upper 20s to lower 30s over the area, we could see some frost. If the winds stay up a little bit, frost is not a concern. Just not sure yet if the winds will die down. We'll have to monitor that. There may be some frost or freeze advisory warnings issued. Already the St. Louis National Weather Service office is discussing this. We'll see what happens. But cold weather nonetheless. High temperatures on Saturday, mostly in the upper 40s to maybe some lower 50s. High temperatures on Sunday, mostly in the 40s. If the sun comes out Sunday afternoon, someone may hit 50 degrees. Fairly cool for this time of year. That will be below normal. We're used to above normal temperatures over the past week or so, but it does look like temperatures will be falling over the next 24 hours. Have a nice day.